Now, a question I get asked a lot by non-disabled people when they find out I can drive is, how do you drive without using your legs? Well, I've got hand controls in my car. It's a push-pull system. When I push like that, the brake goes down. And when I squeeze it up like that, the accelerator goes down. And that's it.
My Jesus making lemonade, lemonade. I watch my worries wash away. Lemonade, it's gonna be okay. I gave me some lemons, but my Jesus, he be making lemonade. Sugar cane on a summer day. Ain't my Jesus better than the words I could ever say?